In the wild and windy upland, Tornamona, high above the tossing moil, lies in slumber, deep and dreamless now, a warrior, weary worn with battle toil. On his mighty breast the little canna blossom, and the scented bogbines trail, while the winds from Lurrigaden whisper hush songs round the bed of Séan Ó Néill. There was once a Séan whom daisies could not smother, and whom bogweeds could not bind. Once a Séan with death shafts from his fierce eyes flashing, with dismay in fist of mail. Séan, whose throbbing pulses sang with singing lightning. Séan, our Séan, proud Séan Ó Néill. Chieftain, snap the sleep cords, never rise in thunderous wrath, through the knaves and slaves that bring a blight on Ula, sweeping far a dread red swathe. Rise, O Chief, and lead us from our bitter bondage. Rise, in God's name, Séan Ó Néill.